Hi friends, I'm popping in real quick to just kind of show you a little bit about how to assemble the Hello Friend 4x4 card envelope that comes in the download. I thought that there might be some confusion, so I'm kind of anticipating that and wanted to be able to share how you cut it out and score it and fold it up and it's ready to go. So ultimately, when it's done, it will look like this, a little envelope, and your card will fit right inside. And there's actually plenty of wiggle room in the envelope, so if you have other things that you want to kind of tuck down in there, you can. So basically, when you get the download, it's going to be, there will be lines that will tell you where you need to cut everything. There's also little score marks that will tell you where you need to score. So when you download it, it's going to look a little bit like this when you download and cut it actually. And I'm just using a glass mat, regular craft knife, and my just a regular ruler to be able to cut this piece out. So it's going to look a little bit like this. And I've printed it out on some cardstock. You can print it out on your paper of choice. And to do the actual scoring, we're going to score here, here, across here, and here. So basically, you're going to end up scoring, if you use a score tool or Score Pal, that works. I'm just doing it real quick here with a bone folder and a ruler. So I'm going to come across there and score there. Come across from here to here and score here. I'm going to flip it around here, score from here to here. So basically, you're scoring from corner to corner all the way around, from here to here in there we go. When you turn it over, you've got your scoring will allow you to fold it, and it's going to look like this once it's folded. And I'm just going to go ahead across and just give that a nice little crisp score with my bone folder. Okay, now to assemble. Now most of you, I'm assuming most of you are going to know how to do this, but hopefully this video will help make it really super simple. So you're just going to take your adhesive of choice, whatever you prefer. Right here, I'm just going to use this little tape runner. And this is going to, I just want to get a little bit of adhesive here and a little bit of adhesive here just to hold it down. So I'm just going to use it right. Put a little bit of adhesive here and put a little bit of adhesive here. And then, bam, you have the envelope. So, and it's all sealed up and ready to go. So in the card kit also comes these little Hello Friend seals that you can stick on the back if you'd like. But like I said, the card fits right inside the envelope, and you can close it up and you can mail it off. And then the final size for the card is 4x4, and then this envelope is final size is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So I hope that that little quick tutorial helps with any confusion you may have on how to assemble the envelope.